Welcome back. This is your Gaia Queen from Famous by Me. I hope you guys are really doing well. So today I have something amazing to share with you, which I call it crispy tofu with mango salsa. Have you ever heard about it? I'm sure you haven't. That's why you should watch this video today. If you're a mango lover, if you're a tofu lover, then this is a perfect dish for you. Stay tuned for the video until the end so you can enjoy till the max.
3 cherry tomatoes and 10 pieces of button mushrooms with my preferred amount of oil, and I'm gonna mix everything together to give it a quick fry. The amount of mushrooms and the cherry tomatoes are based on your own preference, yeah? I'm adding freshly chopped parsley leaves to give it an aromatic flavor and to enhance the smell and also the taste of our recipe today. Mix everything well. I'm adding freshly made mango puree. Please choose a mango which is totally ripened, and it should have a very sweet taste. This is not an egg. Look at that. So now mix everything again. Make sure the flame of yours, the stove, is in a lower manner. Don't let it overcook. Keep stirring it. Salt as per your taste, and I'm adding a special vegetarian seasoning. There is no MSGs in it, so no worries. Freshly grounded black pepper. Depends on your peppery flavor and the taste you would like. I would like to be even more peppery. Pepper is very good for your digestion. It's very good for your metabolism, and it is also very good to lose weight. This is a perfect dish if you're counting on your calories. Oh wow. My salsa is coming out. This is a deep fried tofu, which is an ordinary corn flour. There is no egg in it. And I'm mixing the paste that we have made right now on top of the deep fried, crispy organic tofu. I'm having a very small plate. If you guys have a larger one, you just can arrange it nicely and decorate it as per your wish. I love it with some mangoes on top of it, so you can add on your own. If it's not, then fine. Wow, I'm hungry. Are you? I'm sure you do. So now, fresh parsley. Our recipe's ready.